A developing story tonight, the FDA reports Reese's Fine Foods of Beaverton has recalled about 100,000 food products. Those products were distributed across the country and have found to have Listeria contamination. News 10's Aaron Nilsson spoke with a local doctor about the dangers of that deadly infection.
Unfortunately, it's pretty rare. The chances of you actually having Listeria are very small, and thankfully it's rare because it can be so devastating.
Listeria can be devastating to several groups of people. Dr. Brooks says young children, older individuals, and people with weakened immune systems are at a high risk, but pregnant women getting Listeria may be the biggest concern.
It just happens to cross into the bloodstream, and then if you're very unlucky, into the brain, and if you're pregnant, if you're very unlucky, into the uterine cavity and infect the baby.
Brooks says pregnant women especially should avoid processed foods and foods that are not pasteurized. She says feta and soft cheeses along with lunch meats are more common to having Listeria.
Also can cross into the uterus, into the placenta, and if the baby gets it, it's really very bad, and a lot of times we have had babies even die from that.
Brooks says to watch out for nausea, diarrhea, dizziness, blurred vision, vomiting, and any headaches that won't go away with Tylenol or other headache medicines. The symptoms are similar with any other common food poisoning.
Anything that indicates a more serious infection, that is something that you would need to seek medical care for and possibly be hospitalized for IV antibiotics.
Using general cleanliness when preparing and handling food is the best way to avoid any food poisoning, along with proper hand washing and avoiding cross-contamination. Covering your news, Aaron Nilsson, News 10.
Doctors say using antibacterial soap while washing hands and alcohol to clean countertops will also help keep Listeria out of your house.